All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is August 14th, 2024. This is the BYOB Market Wrap Up with me, John Carrigan. I moderate the BYOB trading room. Had a thriller trade at the end of the day. Hey, let's go take a look at some charts. All right, let's take a look at SPY on the 10-minute chart. 10-minute chart, we have a 10-minute uptrend going into the close. On the 2-hour chart, have a 2-hour uptrend going into the close. On the daily chart, higher high, higher low, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. We are still in a downtrend, approaching this downtrend line right there. All right, so QQQ, probably going to look the same way. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA, still in a downtrend. QQQ breaking through. Is that breaking through? Yeah, it looks like breaking through this downtrend line. It's a good sign right there. But still in a downtrend. FNGU, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. FNGU, still in a downtrend till it breaks this high right here. Let's take a look at Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow still in a downtrend till it breaks this high right here. Price action, higher low, higher high, closing over a bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Still in a downtrend. IWM. IWM, higher low, higher high, closing over the bearish trap. Closing inside the bearish trap under the 17 EMA. IWM still in a downtrend. On our technicals, we spent the day knocking on the door of the buy zone. Just spent the whole day inside the buyer's chop zone. T2123, green from the beginning of the day, and then a little bit of selling coming into the end. 3-bar chart, 3 more red candle bars right there. 3 more, still up over the 200 SMA. On the 15-minute chart, we're still under the 15-minute SMA. All right. And on FNGU, we had a sloppy day. A little bit of red, a little bit of green, a little bit of red, a little bit of green, all in bull flag consolidation up here. So just kind of holding price for FNGU. Should be a breakout tomorrow. We'll see where it wants to go, higher, lower. I think it goes higher. We'll see what happens. All right, let's go back to some other charts and take a look at USO. USO. All right, USO on the dailies in an uptrend, but today's price action, lower high, lower low, closing inside the bullish trap over the 17 EMA, okay? Is in an uptrend because we broke this high right there. That's USO. UNG still in a downtrend, higher low, higher high, closing over bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Still in a downtrend. GLD, see what GLD did today. Oh, you're over here. Lower high, lower low, closing inside bullish trap over the 17 EMA. GLD still in an uptrend. SLV in a downtrend, printing a lower high and a lower low, closing under a bearish trap under the 17 EMA. SLV still in a downtrend. Let's take a look at SMH. SMH needs to break this high to be bullish in an uptrend. Right now it's breaking the downtrend line. If you slap a line right through here, you can see that's getting broken up right there. But nothing says it doesn't belong out here. Okay, it's breaking this one. Doesn't mean there's not another one that exists out there. Till we break this high right here, we're still in a downtrend. That's SMH. XLK, technology. Till we break this high, we're still in a downtrend. We are moving up. Okay, XLK is moving up. SMH is moving up. But until we take and make new highs, we're not in an uptrend. All right, so there's SMH. There's XLK. Let's take a look at XRT. All right, XRT moving up, but until we break this high, we're still in a downtrend. Price action, higher low, higher high, closing under the bearish trap, under the 17 EMA. XLF, financials. Financials, we are moving up. Until we break this high, we're still in a downtrend. Price action, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap, over the 17 EMA. Nice recovery for XLF right there. IYT, transports, moving up, but still in a downtrend until we break this high right there. Start making new highs and new higher lows, okay? Until we do that, make new higher highs, we're still in a downtrend. So IYT, still in a downtrend. Transports, price action, higher low, higher high, closing over bullish trap, over the 17 EMA. All right, there's the transports. Let's take a look at the market today, SPY, on the 15-minute. All right, and on the 15-minute, let's take a look at the 10-minute. All right, on the 10-minute, we had an entry right here. Green takes out red right over the top of that, and we went into a climactic by nature peak right up here. Okay, and you can see price action came all the way back down to the VWAP area, a little bit steeper than expected. And then we just consolidated on top of VWAP. Kind of had a failed breakout there, but then we had a thriller trade that came in at the very end of the day right there. So we'll see what happens here with price action tomorrow. We still have not hit the downtrend line, and the downtrend line is right there. We're not far away. Okay, so downtrend line, I was looking to hit either the all-time high anchored VWAP or the downtrend line today. So we didn't hit either one. So looking like this is going to be our target for tomorrow. Market is still bullish. It is moving up and holding the higher ground. So anytime it moves up and holds the higher ground, that is bullish in my book. All right? Moving up and holding the higher ground. No, we didn't hold this, and we didn't hold this, and we don't know if we're going to hold this, but here's the last consolidation, and we consolidated on top of it. So that is bullish by nature. All right, so there's SPY. It was a green erases red day on 10-minute uptrends. Here was the first entry. Here was a second entry. Never went anywhere unless you held on to it for this little popper right there. And then we had one more green erases red right over the top of that. Not much happening with that one. Not much left. What SPY calls are you long? I don't know, Mel. I can take